Okay, so for the test, what we have going on 30 grams of coffee is in each coffee maker, along with 450 grams of water, approximately, in each coffee maker. A little more than 10 ounces, as you can see on this guy. And I'm just gonna put coffee from each of these cups, or coffee into each of these cups from each of the different coffee makers. Have my girlfriend blind taste test it, and then she's going to do the same for me, so we can see which one definitively makes better coffee. Before I do anything else, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to change the temperature on this guy, and I'm actually going to not have a pre-soak time, so we're going to just do, so 195 will be the temperature, and pre-soak, well, it looks like the minimum you could do is 15 seconds, unfortunately, so we'll just leave it at that, and I'm going to hit start and flip on the switch here. So now they're both going. We're about a minute 20 into the video, so we'll see how long it takes. This one is got to reach temperature first, and this one's already been plugged in, so look, it's already brewing, which is pretty neat. It is kind of unfair because I ran 2 cycles through this already to get the temperature reading, but it is what it is. This, we already knew that this was a faster coffee maker. It's really just a matter of which one tastes better and which one's going to keep the coffee hotter, as well as some other stuff. So we're at 92 degrees now. It's 100 degrees to go. And the BB1800 is already halfway done, I'd say. It's too bad that the Bonavita doesn't have a pre-soak setting like the Brazen. So once this does reach temperature, it's gonna let out about 4 ounces of water for 15 seconds, and it will show that the pre-soak / bloom is what's going on. And this is almost done here. So it looks like for the Bonavita, it took just over 2 minutes to brew 2 cups of coffee. So a minute per cup, definitely not bad. Again, it was a little bit faster than it normally is because it was already plugged in. It had run through 2 cycles. And meanwhile, just while the BB1800 has finished the brew cycle, the Brazen Plus is starting. So it's just at 195 about, and then you're going to see the screen change to the pre-soak. Dropped a degree. The water reservoir for the Brazen Plus, which I think I showed in another video, is all stainless steel, unlike this, which is plastic. So not sure what's going on here. The temperature keeps dropping. So you could hear it reheating the water again, so it reaches 195. And there it goes. So now it's going to change into the pre-soak. You can hear the water coming out. The screen should say that. it goes. So counting down from 15. So while we're waiting for this to finish brewing, I'm just going to show you. It's a very even saturation, as you can see. And we're going to remove the top part, filter basket, and then I'm just going to get the lid. So you screw that on, and that will keep it hot, nice and insulated. Put that back here for now. Put that off. Toss this in the sink. Okay, and then the Brazen Plus is gonna beep once it's done. So already, let's see, I'm talking about 2 cups of coffee. So we're using the same amount of ground coffee, the same amount of water, and it's taken already 3 more minutes, 3 or 4 more minutes. I'll have to go back and check. Alright, well, I ran out of room on my phone, but it took about another 30 seconds for the Brazen Plus to finish up. It made a beeping noise once it was done, which I guess is cool. Okay, so now let's see if I can set this down. Okay, just gonna see how to do this. Just gonna compare how the two of them pour. So you have to press this little lever on the BB1800. Comes out very smoothly, but so does the Brazen Plus. So really no issues with either of those. Now I'm going to bring him to my girlfriend. Okay, so she said she liked the Brazen Plus coffee better. She said the Bonavitas tasted burnt. I didn't do a blind taste test myself, but I tested both of them and tried to be as objective as possible. I did think that overall the Brazen cup was slightly better, just because it was just more even. I don't know how to describe it really. I feel like the Bonavita had a more acidic taste to it, but this was more kind of I'm no coffee critic, but it just tasted not, well, first off, not as acidic, didn't really have any bitterness to it. It was just a very kind of basic cup of coffee. Not very complex or anything, but definitely not bad. Having said that, I liked both cups of coffee. I didn't think any of them were bad cups of coffee. I just think my preference would be with the Brazen Plus. Now I'm just going to do a quick temperature read on both of them. So this is 10 minutes after brewing about, and I'm going to see what it clocks in at, and I'll just take pictures, spare you from a video, so you can look at the bottom of the blog post for the readings. Thanks for watching.